Okay, so this chart, I was just talking about how we had the tuning work. I put it back to regular tuning. Okay, so your regular tuning starts on the 3, which is an E string. E is the third of C. Now the G string goes to a B. Okay, instead of going to like a C. See how they sound the same? It's not a circle of fourths. It's a circle of fourths from the bottom string on up to the warp string, and then it goes to a third. So it's kind of like the magic circle that we were talking about in the lesson before, that C always goes to E. If you want to memorize something, start it on the A. Okay, so A, the A note, see how this 5 here, see how 6 here rather? This is the A note, okay? If this is E, this is A, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4 scale steps, not chromatics. It is the same number of chromatics if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That just happens to be a 6, the 6th. So I forgot what we were talking about. Okay, we're talking about the magic circle. All right, and if you start from the 6th, which is the A in regular E tuning, in the key of C. So you got to have, so there's 3 conditions here. From the 6th, regular E tuning, okay, key of C. Then you go up these numbers. That's the magic fret, because it goes A, D, G, C, E, and then A again. Remember, E is the third of C. That's the magic fret. Why? I haven't figured it out yet, but I know it has to do with the tuning, and obviously, you know, if you look at the A fret, because if you start any pentatonic scale, shape, anything to do with anything on the guitar, a chord, a pentatonic scale, an arpeggio shape, if you start that shape from the bottom string, and then start the same shape from any of these strings, it'll take on the pentatonic scale member of this shape. Okay? So what does that mean? Okay, this is A, this is D, this is G, this is C rather. Notice these letters are all contained in the caged. Okay, so caged would be C, it'd be the A down here, it'd be the G string down here, it'd be the 3 string there, it'd be the 2 string there, which is D, and then back to C. See, caged is contained within this fret. So pentatonic, caged is a reverse pentatonic scale, and that's the way it works. That's one of the reasons why you go up a fourth. So if I start any shape, let's back off a second. start a C minor shape from, or here's your C minor shape. It says C minor, let's just go with it. 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay? 6, 2, 4, 6. Alright, it's a second inversion D minor with an octave, so it's really a root on top of a second inversion. Like that. It's raining. We're gonna have some heavy rain, but it's not that heavy. I already checked the weather forecast. It's just normal soaking rain. Believe me, it's soaking rain. So I hope my wife drives safe. She's gone over to the next town. So if we start this same shape with these purple guys here, okay, on the second string, right, that is going to become a D-shaped arpeggio, chord, whatever it is. Let's see. Now the only stipulation is I have to find a 6 on the second string. There's the 6. So it'd be 6, 2, because remember it's second inversion, so it's A to D, then minor third to the fourth. Okay, now when we want to go to octave, we want to go up. No, it's not octave yet. It's then the fourth to the sixth. It's just a perfect third. Okay, but instead of that perfect third going over this way, which is normally what we do with a 4 going to 6, remember? We're on the tuning warp now. So this is already arrowed up 1 fret. So everything on these 2 strings here were here prior, and they moved over here because this string was down tuned. Okay, you just got to get used to this. It's like riding a bicycle. You know, there's no way to explain it without doing it. So that changes the shape. You see, we're no longer playing this C minor shaped thing. Okay, because from the 4th to the 6th, you know, it's no longer going to be, where is it? It's like, it's starting on the, it's the D, okay, it's the 4th, so it's, alright, so we're starting that C from the 6th, remember? Because it was a second inversion, D minor. Right? And we think we're going to make the same C shape and make that little D shape or a D minor shape on the top. Because that's what happens if you start a C minor. So you start that 6 from the top here, from the bottom string rather. It goes 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4. It makes a little D minor shape. D minor, as a matter of fact, that is D minor because this is box 1. This is our fret nut. It goes into a D minor. When you start that 6 from the second string, where'd it go? There it is. Okay, 6, 2, 4, then we don't get our little D minor shape. The normal D minor shape that we all know in the key of caged box. So it's all based on this D minor, this A minor, this E minor, okay, and then this E, which is just a half step up from the regular E. And then the C and the G shape, and then we have this half diminished shape, which I don't want to hazard to try and do it right now, but we're